Mm.
Aku tidak mun, Mami.
Mm.
Aku tidak mun.
Puyo ko di. Sa muka kasi mo yang. Ito na. Wala.
Hai, Dok. Hai, Dok.
Hilabot tayo. Na kami, hilabot tayo wala kami.
Hai, Dok.
the following urgent messages. Ito yung mga natanggap ni students. Nakatanggap siya ng division memorandum. No? Sabi doon sa division memorandum, submit justification for the proposed subject distribution. Reports show possible subject mismatch and overload. Yan. Tapos, naka-receive din siya ng complaint mula sa teacher. Sabi ng teacher, harap-harapan talaga. Sabi ng teacher, I am assigned to handle a subject outside my specialization again. This happened last year and affected both my confidence and my workload. Tapos, biglang nag-text si parents. My message si parents sa messenger ng principal. Ito.
Yeah, Puyo.
Meron namang monitoring doon, ang regional monitoring team. Sabi na regional monitoring team, present workforce data. Showing particular assignments are based on specialization, actual load, and school head, school needs. Yan. So, meron ding Mr. Teacher. The recommendation, si Mas Principal na recommendation ng Master Teacher. Sabi ng MT, several teachers maybe assigned if the current class program is not revised immediately. Yun, ang natanggap ng principal na recommendation ng Master Teacher. Ngayon, may note din yung administrative officer. Sabi din yung administrative officer, some teachers also carry multiple ancillary functions which may affect lesson preparation and instructional quality. Yan. So may anim na natanggap ang school principal. No? Ikaw, school principal, ano ang mga gagawin mo?
Ano ko? Buyat.
Sabihin,
Tapos kita.
in the phase 2, we now proceed to phase 2 na the end basket.
Tapos.
The school year is about to begin.
Kasi si Moon.
Serious concern
Babay
kasi
na.
nag-meeting na eh. Nag-meeting na.
Babay na.
Meeting na kayo.
Bakit ba si Moon?
May tinatawag na executive sessions. So, this
Babay
year
na
is
ba?
about to begin, but serious concern have emerged regarding the distribution of subjects to be handled by the teachers. So, the school head must now respond under pressure.
Ay,
Sabi ng,
joke.
division supervisor principal,
Ay, joke.
let me
Ay, joke.
why are there
Ay,
teachers
joke.
assigned subjects outside?
Ay,
When will
joke.
begin?
Ay,
We
joke ka.
cannot begin another school year with the same mismatch
Ay,
problem.
joke pala.
Sabi ng school head, ganito kasi magre-respond.
Ang buyat.
Ganito yung
Ang buyat. Ang buyat.
sabi ng school head, thank you ma'am, or thank you sir. Our review shows that the current issue is not simply about finding
Ay, joke.
but about aligning
Ay, joke.
teaching load and subject demand.
Ay, joke.
And before
Ay,
finalizing
joke. Ay, joke.
order and immediate stopping
Ay, joke. Ay, joke. Ay, joke.
to ensure
Ay, joke.
is based on qualification
Ay, joke. Ay, joke. Ay, joke. Ay, joke.
yun, sabi ng regional monitor. Nag-agency sa regional
Ha?
monitor, that sounds procedural.
Ito?
Where is your data?
Ito?
Ganito kasi ganito yun eh. Sounds procedural. Where is your data? How can you prove that your subject distribution is strategic?
Ay, joke.
Binit.
Ay, joke. Ay, joke. Ay, joke. Ay, joke.
Ma'am, we are
Ay,
considering
joke.
3 sets of data. First is the teacher specialization records. Teaching load and projected subject demand for the beginning of classes. And by comparing these, we can correct mismatch, reduce overload, and make
Ay,
evidence-based
FPOA muna.
decisions rather relying on routine
Ayun na ba? Ibalik
practices.
dito ba?
Now,
Ibalik na dito. Unya na na.
lang sumabot si frustrated teacher. Sir, with respect, I was also told last year that based on improvement, but still ended up teaching outside my specialization while handling too many reports. How is this school year different? Sabi ng school head.
Puyat. Hi, Duk.
Your concern is legitimate, and I do not want to
Hi,
see
Duk.
burden repeated. Here, the cycle process will not end with this
Ay,
revision.
nagba.
Include workload review, ancillary task mapping,
Nagawa yung...
and a validation step for the final release
Halibi.
of
Oo.
teaching assignments. We are correcting not
Kain
only
ba?
who
Big Mac.
teaches, not only who teaches,
Pagkaon na ulam dito. Nalagira.
but also how much
Bandi dada, bandi dada, bandi dada,
Iya ba?
bandi dada, bandi dada, bandi dada, bandi dada.
simple.
Yan, diri ka lang yan.
Our children being handled by teachers who are competent in the subjects assigned to them? Yes or no? Sabi ng principal. Yes, that is our commitment. Our goal is to align subject assignments as closely as possible. So teacher specialization and demonstrated capability, especially in the e-learning areas where
Bulat?
temporary adjustments are
You like bulad?
we will provide
You like fish?
support,
Fish?
will provide supervision and transition
Kiss
measures
to be.
that
Sorry, kiss.
instructional quality.
Mami!
Sumabang si Master Teacher. Principal, several teachers are already asking for clarification. What exactly is your immediate action today? Sabi ng principal. Today, I will convene a workforce validation team. Mayroon silang workforce validation team composed of the master teachers, department heads, and administrative officer. And within the day, we will review the proposed
Mami,
subject
ando ko
distribution.
puyat.
Identify mismatch
There is a magic bulad
points,
here.
rebalance
Ando ko
teaching
puyat.
notes, and recommend final corrections before
Ando ko
classes
puyat
begin.
kasi.
Sabi naman ni administrative officer,
Sing daddy. Daddy ko?
what if we adjust the distribution now?
Hindi
Some
ko
schedules
yung dali puyat.
done. That may delay finalization. Sabi ng student. It is better to correct the system before the class begin or before the classes begin than to allow a flow distribution of hard instruction for an entire school year. And strategic workforce plan requires correlation correction, not convenient delay.
Sige pa yan, sige pa yan. Ay,
Sabi naman
kundang
ni
na.
supervisor, sumabang.
Sige pa yan, sige pa yan. Ay, kundang na. Sige pa yan, sige pa yan. Kundang na.
Subject distribution must be based on evidence, teacher capability, workload balance, and learner interest. If you
Na
want
ano sa sulod?
better outcomes this school year, we must begin with a stronger and more workforce. Tapos ang executive meeting on the now. Implementation. So, from subject distribution to workforce balance in action.
Buti mo ba ano kung makakonsentrate ka, diba? Pili. Tanaw sa Simon, di ko na apa Simon. Tanaw pa Simon, bak maap Simon. Oh, wala ako.
Babay na.
Tanaw ba? Kasi mas tipo pa. Slipper din din. Kasab ano pa ka. Tanaw ba? Pag slipper pa.
Ate ko.
Wala na to Simon.
Workforce plan and the implementation mechanism. Yun, ito na, tinapagpila natin ha. Now, again, the characters of this, the school head, supervisor,
Moon.
Nate ka.
the school head
Ito
will
mo
present
Moon.
the school's formal response to ensure
Ito tanaw mo.
coming school year is fair.
Ano gumunda?
Aligned with teacher capability. Sabi ng school head, introduction sa school head. Sabi niya, thank you, ma'am, based on the issues identified, in the phase 2, the school is now adopting the workforce
Iro.
is designed to prevent repeated mismatch, overload, and ensure that teacher deployment supports instructional quality. Sabi ng supervisor, division supervisor, we will conduct an actual staffing and specialization audit before subject distribution. Second, we will review actual
Bluetooth mode.
assignments to avoid overload. Subject assignments teacher quality support and mentoring temporary mismatch cannot be avoided. Finally, we will document the entire process through an evidence sabi ng teacher representative. What
Loh,
support
nay bibi o tanaw si
can
bibi o
given
tanaw na ay bibi din.
curriculum
Gawas.
support
Aja,
to
Wala
teachers
na ay bibi din.
previously handled
ay,
subjects
wala ko ito.
Kani ni gawas. Wala lang
They will
bibi.
be prioritized to for corrected deployment where possible, where immediate reassignment is limited, so they will be receiving
Wala ko ito.
support
Nagdag sige mo
reduce
kagi.
auxiliary burden.
Tuo to bibi o.
The purpose is not
Bibi.
only to correct deployment but to protect
Gamay? Gamay bibi.
Opo. Aja,
Cute na.
now.
aja,
Sabi ng
Kadang-kadang bibi.
how many parents know that
aja. Wala ko.
Gani-gani.
better? Sabi ng school head, parents will see the difference in the classroom consistency, instructional readiness, and reduced disruptions in
Magaba na ako, magaba.
More importantly, we
Ay, pagandang na ako. Maputol na ako. Anong kamot?
policy, not leaving it to informal scheduling. Sabi ng regional, what makes this strategic? Sabi ng principal, it is strategic because it uses workforce analytics to guide questions. We're not really filing classes. We're not really classes. We are aligning human resources with school needs, capability patterns, and long-term learning outcomes. This is specific question and not just a time
Hindi ko yung moy. Hindi ka tumbag ako.
So my closing message is school head on that kind of executive meeting.
Ang bayan daw.
Summary, sabi niya, here in our phase 3, we want to ensure that the subject distribution is grounded in fairness, capability, and
Ayaw mo ah.
we are building
Close na,
not
close.
only a schedule here, but a better workforce system for the
Mami dabaw.
school year.
Ibalik
Ayan.
ka.
I-depend na yung workforce plan that support interview, no?
Bulag.
The school now is faces award style
Bulag ba?
Para kung makahawa diri. Nanaaman dito kay daddy ang bulad.
process and the ability.
Pangay dito kay daddy bulad. Igna ka nang walay bukog daddy. Hinahinay ang putsinilas. Putsinilas kinusapan ko ka.
ICS,
Hinahinay ha dapat di mayabo. Dapat ka nang paan na ha tigulang na.
continue natin.
Kunita lang
So yun
parang
na yung
kunita na.
situation ha.
Kunita.
The school head
Hindi
now
ganito,
face
ano?
award style panel who will
Mag-ano ba?
examine the
Sige.
alleging the process
Ina daddy mga
and
kung bulad ka nang walay bukog
the
tanaw.
decisions made
Inay. Sa inay sa inay.
in the phase 2 in the end basket and in the phase 3 pass-through needs. Sabi ng evaluator 3. How is this related to strategic workforce planning and analytics? The answer, strategic workforce planning and analytics require us to match available personnel, capability profiles, and institutional needs in a deliberate way. In this case, subject distribution is the practical expression of the principle because it determines whether the right teacher is placed in the right instructional role at the right time. Sabi ng board chair, now what leadership lesson? Kasi kumalma na eh, mas maganda na. What leadership lesson